All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, we're gonna look at a situation where my opponent gets an underhook where I'm trying to pass his half guard. And we're gonna use a Kimura grip to essentially dive past this guard and take his back. So we're here, and I want to think about dropping my left hip down as my left arm comes across his body, here. Now I'm gonna reach back, grabbing his wrist, pushing it to his stomach. Now, my left arm is gonna feed through, grabbing my Kimura grip, and I'm gonna think about rolling onto my left shoulder, using my left leg to free my other leg, coming over top. Now as my opponent starts to come up, I'm gonna keep a tight grip with this Kimura lock, and I'm gonna use my bottom knee to insert on his hip. My right leg's gonna come over top. Now from here, I can think about popping this Kimura grip over to the other side, keeping his head, and pulling him onto his right side for back control. So let's look at that one more time. We're here, my opponent underhooks. I come across, framing his body. Dropping my left side knee. My knee is in his hip. Wrist. Kimura. Pulling over. Bottom knee. Top leg. Popping this over. For my back control.